Hi, Ray. I've just run through this issue that I'm having at the moment. So on the live site, I've still got the Coffs Harbour marker here, and if I go to the staging, it's as it should be with Canberra. I've re-pushed the website this morning to see if that would help, and it hasn't. It's still that way. If I go to, okay, so if I go to, that's essentially what I pushed, and I pushed all files the way that they were all ticked. So, I mean, this is more a database thing anyway. So, yeah, can you let me know? Could you investigate this? That'd be great. All right, cheers. Thanks, Ray.